This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an explainer video. First, clearly define your video's core message and who you are trying to reach. Understanding your audience helps tailor your content effectively. Next, outline your script, ensuring it includes a strong hook, identifies a problem, presents your solution, and ends with a clear call to action. Finally, select a video style that aligns perfectly with your brand and message, whether it's animated, live action, or whiteboard. Once your plan is set, focus on crafting a compelling script. Aim for approximately 100 to 150 words per minute of video to maintain a good pace. After the script, create a detailed storyboard. This visual guide helps you map out each scene, character, and transition, ensuring a smooth and logical flow. A well-structured narrative keeps your audience engaged from start to finish. Now it's time for production. Record a clear, high-quality voiceover in a quiet space. This is crucial for professionalism. Next, choose background music and sound effects that complement your message and enhance the overall mood without distracting. When animating your visuals, prioritize simplicity and clarity. Complex visuals can confuse your audience, so keep them straightforward and easy to digest for maximum impact. The final step is editing and distribution. Carefully edit your video, ensuring smooth transitions, perfect timing, and a polished look. Crucially, include a clear and compelling call to action at the very end, guiding viewers on what to do next. Finally, share your finished explainer video across all relevant platforms, like your website and social media, to reach your target audience effectively and maximize its impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.